Hey guys, this is Mohammed, and today we're going to learn how to build a predictive model to forecast bike rentals using Python. We'll be using a bike rental dataset that includes features such as weather conditions, seasonality, and other factors to predict the number of bike rentals for a given day. Let's get started. Step 1. Load the data. First, we need to load our bike rental dataset. We'll be using the Pandas library to load a CSV file into a Pandas data frame. Make sure to replace bikerentals.csv with the actual file name of your dataset. Step 2. Pre-process the data. Now that we have our data, we need to pre-process it before we can use it to train our model. We'll be scaling the numerical features and creating dummy variables for categorical features using the Pandas get_dummies function. We first create new columns for each of the numerical features by dividing each feature by the maximum value of that feature. Then we create dummy variables for the categorical features using the get_dummies function and concatenate them with the original dataset. Step 3. Split the data next. We need to split our data into training and test sets. We'll be using the train_test_split function from the scikit-learn library to do this. We first separate our target variable, CNT, from the rest of the features. Then we split the data into training and test sets with a test size of 20% and a random state of 42 for reproducibility. Step 4. Train the model. Now that our data is pre-processed and split, we can train our linear regression model using the scikit-learn library. We first create an instance of the linear regression class, and then fit the model to our training data using the fit method. Step 5. Evaluate the model. After training the model, we need to evaluate its performance on the test set. We'll be using the R² metric to do this. Step 6. Make predictions. Now that we have evaluated our model's performance on the test set, we can use it to make predictions on new data. We'll be using the predict method to do this. We first create a new data frame with values for each of the features in our model, and then use our trained model to make a prediction on this new data. And that's it. We've learned how to build a predictive model to forecast bike rentals using a bike rental dataset in Python. We loaded the data, pre-processed it, split it into training and test sets, trained a linear regression model, evaluated its performance, and made predictions on new data. Thanks for watching and happy coding.